After having understood the basics of tabular presentation, let's now understand the components of a table and various types of a table. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. Continuing with the tabular presentation, this video explains various parts of a table, simple table, complex table, which can be either two-way table or three-way table. So let us understand. For tabular presentation, it is very important to understand various parts of the table. Any table must have a table number. It is very relevant and is useful when more than one table is prepared for the given information. So by denoting each table in a chronological order, table can be easily differentiated from the next table. Then is title of the table. It denotes the specific information depicted in the table, or it describes the contents of the table. So the title of the table should be brief and comprehensive and provide a clear explanation of the data. There has to be a headnote also. Headnote must support the title of the table. For example, title can be Educational Attainment in India. Headnote can be percentage of persons having graduate degree in the year 2015. Then next part is stub and caption. Stubs are the titles given to the rows of the table, whereas captions are the title given to the columns of the table. Once again, the caption as well as stub should be very clear and brief and must provide a clear explanation of the components of rows as well as columns. Then there is body of the table. Body of the table consists of the actual information provided by the data. Based on the nature and size of data, the body of the table summarizes the data. And while preparing it, caution must be taken to avoid all unnecessary and irrelevant information. Only the relevant information should be highlighted. So the body of the table must include all the row entries, which is termed as stub entries, all the caption entries, which are called the sub-captions and provides brief details. And in case total is required, one can have a column relating to total, and the caption side as well as stub side. Next important part of the table is footnote. Footnote refers to the statement placed at the bottom of the table that supplements certain specific information in the table. Symbol or marks can be used such as star or hashtag to identify the footnotes. And last is source. While tabulating the data, it is necessary to provide the source of information to the readers. So unless all these aspects are taken care of while making a table, table is considered to be incomplete. So all these aspects are important for a perfect tabular presentation. Now let us understand the types of tables. Tables can be classified on the basis of purpose, originality, and construction. On the basis of purpose, the tables can be of two types: general purpose tables and specific purpose tables. General purpose tables provide information that is of general use and can be used for different purposes. These types of tables are used for references, and these are usually given in the appendices and are used by those researchers who need additional information on any particular issue. For example, data published by government agencies, it's in details and is meant only for reference. Then there can be specific purpose table. Specific purpose tables highlight a particular set of information. Such tables are generally compact and small in size, and they help in analyzing of the information in an effective manner. For example, specific purpose table can be on employment status of males and females in Delhi. So here it gives information only about the employment status and nothing else. So it is specific purpose table. Then on the basis of originality, again, there are two types of tables. One is original table and there is derivative table. Original tables are the tables that contain information in the original form. In other words, they present or express data in the same manner as it was originally collected. Whereas derivative tables are contrary to the original tables and they present data after making all the necessary calculations. Generally, in these kinds of tables, the data is presented in the form of ratios, percentages, or any other statistical calculation. Then, tables can be prepared on the basis of construction. Here also, tables can be of two types. One is simple table and another is complex table. We are concerned with the tables which are based on construction. Simple tables are the simplest form of table which possess one single characteristic. These are in the form of a frequency table. Simple tables are also known as one-way table and exhibit a single characteristic. For example, income in thousands and number of persons. Then there are complex tables. In complex tables, the data is classified on the basis of more than one characteristic. These could either be two-way or three-way tables or manifold tables. For example, this table may present the number of students based on the age group and the locality in which they reside. So age group is one characteristic, locality is another characteristic. So our focus in statistics would be either simple tabular presentation or complex tabular presentation. Now here is the example of simple table. It should have table number, title of the table, number of students in the primary section of the school. Headnote is class-wise. So class is Stub. This is caption. And here are the Stub entries from LKG to class 5. These are captions, caption entries, number of students in each class. It represents just one characteristic, that is number of students. In the source, one can mention name of the school and footnote the year for which the number of students are exhibited. This is the example of complex tables. It's a two-way table where you need to write the table number, the title of the table, that is number of students in the primary section of a school, the class and gender-wise information. This is the head note. So here you have Stub, caption, sub-captions, stub entries, that is the classes from lower KG to class 5. Sub-captions are girls and boys, information is provided, and the total number of students, information is provided. Now this is a two-way table in the sense that number of students have been categorized class-wise as well as gender-wise. And then one can have the source of information, which is the school itself. So name of the school would be written, and footnote would carry the year for which this information is applicable. I hope the two-way table is clear to everyone. Now have a look at this example. This is an example of three-way table. Table number is there. Title of the table, number of students in the primary section of a school, head note, class, gender, and social status wise. So you have stub, caption as number of students, total, and then grand total. Now there are stub entries. These are the classes from class 1 till class 5. Number of students are further subdivided as sub-captions girls and boys, which are further subdivided as non-economically weaker section, economically weaker section under girls and its total. Similarly, non-economically weaker section and economically weaker section under boys and its total. And then under total we have total of girls and boys as non-economically weaker section and economically weaker section. And then finally one can have grand total. Since captions are categorized as sub-captions and each sub-caption is further categorized as sub-captions. This is a three-way table. So once again, source of information is the school itself. So you will have name of the school. Footnote can be the year for which this information is being provided. I hope it is now clear the difference between two-way and three-way table. These are all complex tables. I hope you have understood various parts of a table. You have understood the difference between simple and complex table. And while making a complex table, I'm sure you must have also understood how to prepare a two-way table and a three-way table. With this, the discussion on tabular presentation gets complete. Next time, you will learn about diagrammatic presentation. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just ₹999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.